Y'all be fake crazy, man. Y'all be fake crazy. Y'all see those girls that be talking real crazy sexual on Twitter and shit? Talking about like every tweet is some fucking gif or some sexual shit going down. And then you get them in person and they're like, I don't know. I don't know. That was just for the internet, I don't know. Sit your baby ass at home, get off the internet, talking crazy sexual, you not about it. Now where my real freaks at? Where my real crazy girls at? See, I only fuck with crazy girls. It's kind of the standard at this point. Especially Latinas. Where's my Latinas at? Dallas, listen, all the fans, as long as you're down for me, I'll be down for you. Hands up. Hands up. I need a crazy bitch that's down for me. I need a little something wild and free. I need the right amount of attitude. She checks herself, but she checks me too. I need her to reciprocate all my love. Get drunk with me even if she loves mine. Baby, bring that accent. What do I need, Dallas? I need a crazy bitch that's down for me. Cause baby, I'll be down for you. Think, I promise I'll be down for you. Even when I'm not around, somewhere out of town, I promise I'll be down. Loud as you can, what do I need? I need a crazy bitch that's down for me. But not the type of crazy that don't let me breathe. Baby, fall back, I'm executing God's rules. That's just in my blood, that's just how a God moves. Hope you understand and catch my way. Hope you know you're bad as fuck, but not too vain. I need someone who really loves me for me. I need a crazy bitch that's down for me. Cause baby, I'll be down for you. Think, I promise I'll be down for you. Even when I'm not around, somewhere out of town, I promise I'll be down. One more time, what do I need? I need a crazy bitch that's down for me. She's a movie star without the screen. I don't need you with me if you wanna be impulsive. I don't need no selfish and considerate bullshit. I don't need your mouth running when it's not called for.